So you're going to multiply these two numbers together, 0.82 times 8.
Okay, I'm adding that up right now.
Multiplying. Multiplying.
Okay. I got $11.
You're multiplying. So you multiply the 8 times the 2. What is that?
16,
6 with a carry of 1. What's 8 times 8?
64,
Plus the 1
65
is,
with the 1.
and then you move the decimal over 2 decimal places because there's 2 decimal places in the 82. So it's 6.56. Then you're going to subtract for the change. Let me know if you have questions on how to subtract that. I think you were doing pretty well last time we worked on something like this.
So subtract 65, 656 plus
S-
6.56.
You're
I'll subtract
subtracting
that.
from
Okay.
10. Yeah. You're able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay. Yeah, give that a try, please.
I'm eating mom food for a full day. And okay, I'm just adding up the total real quick. um,
You have a final answer for me?
yeah, 344.
Yeah, $3.44. Very good. That is correct. Let me know if you need to get a drink of water or something.
No, I'm just sick.
Okay. Hope you feel better soon. On the first day of their 2,598-mile trip, the Cow's Beak drove 683 miles. How many more miles do they have to drive until they complete their trip? So you're going to subtract these two numbers here. So please do that for us, please. Let me know if you have any questions about how to borrow.
Wait, what was the answer to the last question?
You set it $3.44
Okay.
with a little dollar symbol.
Okay, I got it.
All right, so go ahead and subtract these numbers for us, please.
Mm-hmm. I got it.
What is your final answer?
1,915.
Yeah, and the units are important here, so you'd want to say miles. Good job.
Can I just go to the bathroom?
Sure,
Bathroom real quick.
sure.
Why are you guys so secret? Why? What do you need? I thought you were supposed to be. You guys are whispering.
Why did you get up?
I need to use the bathroom. Okay, Yola, hurry up. Don't waste your time. Okay. Okay, I'm back.
All right. So I've got the next problem up here. It says the coordinates of three vertices of a square are 1, -1, 6, -1, and 6, 4. Okay. And you've got to find the fourth vertice. So I'll draw that up here. I'll do that in green. Green. There's green. There's green. Okay. The ordered pair there is 1, comma 4. Okay. So that's your first answer. Now, the next one's more important here. This is a square. What do you know about a square? Tell me anything you know about a square.
It has four equal sides.
That's right. So to figure out the length of the side, you're going to count these kind of major lines here, not the smaller ones. What's the length of one of these sides?
1, 4. 1, comma 4.
That's a coordinate. That's like telling you where you're at. Like think of this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How far is it to go from 1 to 6?
6.
Nope. That would be if you started at 0.
So how far does it take to get from 1 to 6?
Yes.
Uh, 4.
Try again.
How is it not 6?
Well, 6 minus 0 is 6. That's true, but you're starting at 1. 6 minus 1 is
5.
5. So the length of each side is 5. So the area of a square is base times height, 5 times 5, which is
25.
25. Okay. Any questions on that?
No.
Okay. All right. So the next problem here. Next problem here, it says the Daltons complete 20% of their 2,170-mile trip the first day. So you have to take 2,170 and multiply it by point 0.2. Point 0.2. Could you do that for us, please?
Mm-hmm. So what are the numbers again?
Are you able to see my screen?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's on the screen. You've got to be paying attention to what I'm writing down. You can see that's the same as what's over here on the left.
Does it matter which one I type in first?
It does not.
I got my answer. um,
What is your answer?
434.
434 miles. Very good. Now, what's left over for part B is you take the amount they started with and you subtract the 434 from it.
Mm-hmm, I got that. Okay. Mhm.
Let me know when you have an answer, please.
I got it.
Okay, tell me the answer.
1,736.
Okay, that's the second answer there. Miles. All right, very good. Okay, number 6 here. It says if the perimeter of a square is 3 feet, how many inches long is each side of the square? So do you know how many inches are in a foot?
Yeah.
How many?
12.
Okay. So can you multiply those together? What is 3 times 12?
Okay. It's a 36.
36 inches. Good. So each side is 36 inches in length because they're all the same. All right. Any questions on that?
No.
Okay. All right. Let's look at number 7. What are they asking you to do in number 7? What do you see? Tell me what's going on here.
Uh, I think it. I think it's reducing fractions.
So you're actually adding them, and you've got to make a common denominator for both. So, like to go from 5 to 20, what do you multiply by to go from 5 to 20?
4.
Okay, so you multiply by 4. So that becomes,
20.
okay, so 2 times 4 is,
8.
okay. And then same thing down here, 4 times 5. So you're going to multiply 3 times 5. What does that become?
Um. 13.
It's, well, it's 15. 15. 3 times 5 is 15. So now you're taking 8 over 20 and adding it to 15 over 20. What does that become? What does the top number become?
23.
It is 20. It is 23 over 20. Any questions on that?
Yeah.
All right. So let's keep going here. You're doing great. We'll go on to number 8. So for number 8, when you look at this table, you have to decide what is going on each time. Is it going up or is it going down? Like to go from 4 to 8, is it going up or going down?
Up. Wait, what was the answer for the other question? 23?
It was 23 over 20.
Okay. I got it.
All right, so the next one here, what I was asking you is what does it go? What does it go up or down by?
It goes up by double the number.
No, it does not. 8 does not double to go to 12. So try again. What do you add to go from 4 to 8?
4?
Yeah, plus 4. Does that work? Is 8 to 12 plus 4?
Yeah.
Is 12 to 16 plus 4?
Yeah.
So there's your answer.
Wait a minute. Did we do number 7?
Yes.
What was the answer to it again?
What is on my screen? What do you see?
Oh, I wrote it in the wrong box. What was the answer for number 6?
Okay. It's important that you tell me, what
Okay, got it.
okay. All right. Any other ones that you have not gotten down?
No.
Okay. All right. So number 9. Number 9 says estimate the quotient, basically dividing. So they want you to do 29,376 divided by 29. So you can actually do it this way. You can take it as 29,000 over 29. So this right here, this fraction bar means division. What is 29 divided by 29?
Uh,
What is any number divided by itself?
1.
Yes, this becomes 1. Final answer is 1,000. Are you okay?
Mhm.
All right. All right, number 10. Okay, so number 10 here, you can cancel out the zeros. So this becomes 12 divided by 54. Can you divide both of these numbers by 2? Is 12 divisible by 2? Is it even?
Mhm.
Okay, what is 12 divided by 2?
Uh, 6.
And 54 divided by 2?
54?
27. Now, can you divide each of these by 3?
Yeah.
Okay, divide them by 3. What is 6 divided by 3?
2.
And then 27 divided by 3?
9.
All right, there you go. There's your final answer. All right, you ready to look at number 11?
Yeah.
Okay, so there's three possible symbols that go there. Which one do you think it is? If you're not sure, you can put these into a calculator.
I
Also,
think
is it
I
symbol
think
A, B, or C?
I think B. I think it's B. I think it's B.
Let's not go with like what we feel like it. Let's put those into the calculator and compare the numbers.
How do you compare on a calculator?
You don't. You just put the number into the calculator. 3 divided by 5, what is that in the calculator?
3. 0.6.
Okay. And then do 5 divided by 3.
1.666666667.
Okay. So can you tell me the best answer?
A.
It is A. Good. Okay. To find the least common multiple, you start by writing out the multiples. So think of it as like 8 times 1, and then 8 times 2 is the next multiple, or adding 8. So what's the next number after 8?
Um,
What's 8 plus 8?
16.
Okay, good. And then add 8 again.
Okay. 24.
All right. Now with 12, do the same thing, except add 12 this time.
Wait, what?
Do the same thing for 12, except you're going to add 12 this time. We're going to go by 12.
So 12 plus 8.
I said you're going to use 12 instead of 8. You're going to add 12 to 12.
Oh, okay.
The number plus itself. What does that become?
How many times do I multiply it?
I'm not asking you to multiply it. Add it to itself. Just one time would
I
be.
mean, how many times do I add it?
I'll just take the first one for now.
24.
Okay. Do you see any numbers that are the same in both lists?
Yeah.
What number is that?
24.
Okay. That is your least common multiple. All right. Number 13 is geometry. My guess is you haven't done any geometry. Um,
Wait, what was the answer to the other question? Number 12? Oh, okay. 24.
all right. So M is the center of the circle. AB, AB is a diameter. Diameter has to go through the center.
Mm-hmm.
All right, now the angle, which appears to be a right angle, is angle B to C to A. I'll draw that here in red. It's a right angle there. Any questions on that?
No.
Okay. All right, number 14. It says write the prime factorization of 225. So 225 is actually 15 times 15. That's from your multiplication table.
Mm-hmm.
Can you tell me what two numbers multiply to 15? That's not one.
5 and 3.
5 and 3. So I'm going to put 3 and 5, 3 and 5. So the prime factorization is 3 times 5 times 5. Okay. And then
5.
yeah, 3 times 3 times 5 times 5. And then B is it's just like the calculator answer. What's the result when you put that into the calculator?
15.
Yeah. All right. So on to 15. Whenever you're ready, tell me when you're ready.
Got it.
Okay. So 15 here, it says 7 times W equals 4 times 21. You've got a calculator. Can you multiply 4 times 21 for us, please?
Mm-hmm. What do I put in again? Because when I type it in, it says error.
4 times 21.
4 times 21.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I got 84.
Okay. Now you're going to divide both sides by 7. So take that 84 and divide it by 7. What does that become?
Uh, 4 divided by 7.
That's not what's written. What is written on my screen?
84.
Divided by 7. Yes.
So do I type in the 84 first?
Yes. The order matters when you're dividing. Top divided by bottom.
12.
You got it. Good job. Get that down. Let me know when we can move on to the next one.
Done.
Okay.
Oh.
Are you okay? Do you need a break?
No, I'm good.
Okay. You're going to subtract these numbers, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead and subtract them for us and let me know what you come up with.
236.
All right. That is your final answer. We're on to 17. You are going to again subtract. You're going to subtract these numbers.
$49.
All right. Good job. Very good. All right, you ready to move on to 18?
Yeah.
18 is like one we did earlier. We're going to make a common denominator. The common denominator is
Um,
12. See if you can figure out what goes in the top of each of these, please.
so, like, what do I do? Just like
What did we do in a previous problem? What did we do in problem number, let me go find it. 7. What did we do in 7?
what did we do in 7?
Yeah,
Um, um, we like divided.
nope, that is not correct. Do you have anything written down for 7?
Yeah,
What do you have written down?
I wrote down that you divided like 5 and 4. I mean, 5 times 4 to get 20, and then you put 2 times 4 to get 8, and then like
That's right. That's right. So same thing here. What do you multiply 4 by to get to 12?
um 49.
I have no idea what you're talking about. 4 times something gets you to 12. Like, it's not a big number.
Um,
You're not multiplying 4 and 12. There's some number you multiply 4 by to get to 12.
3,
Very good. So multiply 1 times 3. What does that become?
3,
Okay, very good. So on the bottom, it's the same thing. It becomes 4. What is 3 over 12 plus 4 over 12? The bottom stays the same.
so 12 times 12.
Aiden, you got to try like a little bit harder than you are right now. I didn't say to multiply. We did this in a previous problem. What math operation do you see written right here between the two fractions? What math operation is that?
Addition,
So what do you think you should do with the numbers?
add.
Yes, please do that.
I got 12 on the top.
You didn't add, you multiplied. Why did you multiply? You said you were going to add them.
Oh no, I mean 7.
Okay, there's your answer. Okay, let's look at number 19. Okay, 3/4 times 1/3. We're going to do that part first. Now, when you multiply fractions, you multiply the tops and then you multiply the bottoms. 3 times 1 is, what is 3 times 1?
3,
Okay, and 4 times 3?
12.
Okay,
Ugh.
All right, so this is, I don't know, doesn't look like over here on the left, I exactly know what they want, but it's 3/12 now minus 1/6. You have to make a common denominator. Uh, how do you go from, well, I'll just write it in here. We'll make sure we finish this. So what is 3/12 minus 2/12?
Um, 1/12.
1/12. Good. Very good. And there's your answer. Okay, last question here. Do you remember how to convert from a mixed number to an improper fraction? So these two numbers up here, they're considered mixed numbers. Do you remember how to convert them to improper fractions? Yes, no, maybe so. Okay,
I just heard a strange sound. What was
okay.
the thing again?
That's all right. We're just gonna try to finish this um, up here so that you have time to work it out. So you're gonna multiply the tops. What is 8 times 2?
16,
16, good. And then 5 times 5.
25.
There's your answer. Go ahead and get that down.
What was the answer to number 19?
Well, you said it. You said 1/12. That was correct.
Okay, got it.
All right, get everything down for 20, please.
Yeah, I got it. Ugh.
All right. Well, we're going to stop there for tonight because you